Hello, this is Tachibana Tech channel coming at you with another unboxing video. And today we have the Galaxy S23 Ultra. You guys get a good look at the box. As you can see here, it comes with an S Pen. So you guys see, this is the side. It says Samsung. Top has nothing. And then the left side says Galaxy S23 Ultra. Let's get into it. Here we go. So right off the bat, here's the phone, but we're going to get into this side of the box. Here is the quick start guide, terms and conditions. Okay. The size is the terms and conditions. Here is the SIM card ejector. Don't think to remove that right now. So it looks like it's USB-C to USB-C. Does not look like they gave a charging box. Let's get a good look at the phone. So this is the front of it. It's smaller than the back that's on because there's a little cover on it. So with the screen, it looks like it is a 6.8-inch dynamic AMO LED 2x Infinity O, which is different with the S21 Ultra. It is a 6.8-inch quad HD plus dynamic AMO LED 2x7. Let's get this. This screen is very reflective. So it looks like it's green on this side, and here is the S Pen, which comes with the Galaxy Notes, which I think they are starting to become obsolete at this point. Let's see, that's all that's in the box. Let's see here. So I have the S21 Ultra and the Galaxy Note 2. This is the 21 Ultra. It has some differences from the 23 Ultras. For instance, this comes in 8 colors, this comes in only black. This one has wireless power sharing and 1 terabyte of storage. This one only has 5.12 gigabytes of storage as its largest. With this one has the S Pen as well. So you guys can see what that looks like. So I just noticed that there is a difference between the cameras. You can see how this one's like more widespread on this one than it is this one. And this one has like a boxy type to it. This one has more of an ovalish boxy type. So the cameras do look different. So the rear camera on the S23 has 200 megapixels wide, and then the rear on this one has 108 megapixels. On the front, this one has 40 megapixels and this one has 12. This also has an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Let's see if we can find that. Would it be on the top? I'm thinking that it's this. It's on the screen?
The other one was.
Okay, so it would be on the screen. But it's there. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. I'm not gonna try to set it up or take pictures or anything, but I will turn it on so they can see what it looks like when it turns on. So now we're turning it on so you guys can see what it looks like. The screen's more of a rounded shape instead of a box shape on the S21. And then this is what it looks like on. That does seem to be the end of our Galaxy S23 Ultra unboxing. If you guys have any more unboxing suggestions, please comment down below. Thank you, and we hope to catch you guys next time.